Only 2 weeks until the big day. You do look a bit glum though. Are you getting the jitters? Getting cold feet? Starting to realize that paying 40 grand for a one-day party which results in you being in an unnecessarily complicated legal relationship position is actually a super stupid thing to do when you could have spent that money on a house deposit or a massive trip through Europe? Are you a bridezilla? Is this all because the cake topper isn't exactly the right shade of lilac? No. You know I wouldn't let lilac anywhere near my wedding. So what has gone wrong then? Well, there's not going to be a wedding. Why not? Because you can't have a wedding without a groom, that's why. So, what on earth are you going on about? You can totally have a wedding without a groom. All that you need is to have two girls marrying each other. Well, that's no help to me. Yes, okay. What happened? Did Seymour do a runner? Honestly, I would never have actually thought he had it in him to do that. He never seemed the type to have sufficient courage. Nobody really knows what happened. He was on his Bucks weekend on the yacht out on the Whitsundays. They got him drunk and put him in a gorilla suit, and then cast him adrift. He hasn't been seen since. Well, no wonder. There are so many guys in gorilla suit drifting around on the ocean near the Whitsundays. How's anybody going to tell yours? This is not helpful. I had to call the cake decorator this morning in order to cancel the wedding cake. And I also called the dressmaker to cancel the final fitting of my dress. Not how I expected to be spending my day. Was it because your dress wouldn't go well with his gorilla suit? You really are a horrible friend. Seriously though? Were they okay with it? The cake decorator was. Obviously it's 2 weeks away. She hadn't even started working on my cake yet. The dressmaker is being a bit more painful. The total cost of the dress was $4,220, and I paid a $1,000 deposit and then a $1,220 payment. I was supposed to pay the final $2,000 at the final fitting. I guess that will teach Seymour to monkey around, right? You are an awful human being.